Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine, and today I'm going to show you, I believe, the best way to sharpen a chainsaw chain, and I'll show you my secret settings on how to sharpen it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, what I use is a basic Oregon chainsaw sharpener, and for my back setting, I set it on 74 degrees, and in the front, my secret to this stuff, if it's a chain 18 inches or shorter, I'll set it on 30. And if it's a chain a 20 inch or bigger, I'll set it on a 25. It's a little bit more aggressive cut. And we'll do some sharpening for you. Okay, today I'm going to be sharpening a 22 inch chainsaw chain. So we're going to go ahead and stick it in here. Always make sure your points are facing this way, and you don't want to take too much off. You just basically take this down here just so it just grabs the surface. The less you take off, the longer your chain will last. Okay, we got that set. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to adjust this here. You never want it to come down and hit the links. So we'll bring it down. Just so it's right above it. We get one set, they're all going to be exactly the same. And that's what you want. You don't want, when you're cutting your piece of wood, you don't want it going off one way or going off another way. So come by and just see how nice a edge that leaves on there. And we're going to do the next one. Okay, we'll bring that just right against that. Let me go down and just look at how nice and shiny that cut is there. Let's keep on going down. By the time we're done, it's going to be a brand new cutting chain. And there's other people that have different settings and stuff. I'm sure they're all good, but I've sharpened just bunches of chains through the years, and this just seems to stay sharpest the longest. Have nice cuts on there. Okay, we got that side done, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn this around and set that on 25. Like I said, chains 20 inch bars or bigger. I like using this setup in like 18 inch and smaller. I go to the 30 degrees, because you just don't have, the saws aren't that powerful. And this seems to work, so we're going to do the same thing, bring that down. Just make sure you just barely catch it. The less you take off, the longer this chain will last. And another thing, when you're using your chainsaw, if you hit the dirt or hit a rock or hit a nail or something, just stop cutting and get your chain sharpened. Because when you start cutting with the dull chain, you're putting more stress on your chainsaw, and you're actually ruining your chain. So once it starts getting dull, just stop. Go ahead and sharpen it. You know, there's all brands of chainsaw chain sharpeners. This one here's nothing fancy. It's a good Oregon brand. If you cut firewood or you cut a lot of trees, heck, you'd have it paid for. You know, 5-10 sharpenings, you know. And after a while, that saves money. But I cut lots and lots of firewood. Heat my shop, heat my house. And I just found out this is the best setup I found, and I have people coming from all over from me sharpening their chains and nobody complains. So it must be pretty good. Okay, well there you go. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you try it out, and I hope you like it. Well anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.